Hello guys, thank you. There's a new video. In this video we are going to be creating a pod declarative for Kubernetes. And for this one we are going to be doing the KillerCoda lab, and this one is for the CKA exam. So this one should be an easy one, right? How to create a pod declarative. Declarative is using a YAML file. So over here, so using the kubectl, create a YAML file for a pod named pod that uses the image nginx, and save the YAML file as chap1 pod YAML. So let's go ahead and save this. This one should be really quick. So you can do a k run. The name of the pod is going to be just pod. The image that we're going to be running is going to be the nginx, right? So that's the other one, easy one. So then you want to do a dry run. So basically tell it not to execute the commands, not to create the pod. So we say client, and then we want to export this as a YAML file. And then we want to save it in this file. Okay. Go next. Okay. That's it. Wait, go back. So that's it. Can we now run it? How if we just do k create? I want to make sure that it runs. Actually, there we go. Create a k get pod, and still trying to create the container, right? And now it's running. You can see it running. So that is great. What is the solution here? Image nginx. So the same way I did it. So yeah, that was it. But then at the end, you needed to create, or not create, right? Yeah, you need to create the pod with the YAML file. And here it is running. So it looks good. And that's it for this video, guys. That was a really quick video, guys. Well, if you guys learned something today, and if you guys didn't, anyways, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching like always, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.